What if you actually got lean? I don't mean drop 5 pounds for something. I mean going from looking like this to looking like this. Your life changes, your appearance changes, people's reactions to you change. And this video is about how your life would change if you actually got lean. Let's get into it. The first thing that changes when you go from average and chubby to lean and chiseled is that you just become more attractive. You watching this right now, if you drop 10 pounds while building muscle, you would become way more attractive than you are. Why do you want to look better? Well, because the whole world, like it or not, does care about appearance. So even if you're somebody that thinks, oh my God, I don't want to live in an appearance-based society, I don't like the fact that people are caring about appearance so much. Well, you probably clicked on this video because of the thumbnail. So the appearance matters. Whatever good tips I get to give, you only care about it because the thumbnail attracted you enough to click it. That's sadly the world we live in. So if you want your value, whether it's your personality or the value you have to give to the world, if you want the world to recognize that, you need to take care of your appearance, and getting lean is gonna make you more attractive. Fact. Nowadays, all these crazy people going bone smashing. I found about this recently. Teenagers injecting themselves with weird peptides and testosterone to change their facial structure. The best way to look better for every single person on earth is to go on a successful diet, or more accurately, a body recomposition journey where they get leaner and build muscle at the same time. In Korea, we say the best plastic surgery is a successful diet, and it is absolute truth. Next, but another thing that happens in the appearance side is that clothes just look better on you when you get lean. As somebody that's lived both lives, I know that I could wear the exact same clothes as a chubby guy, as a lean guy, and they look totally different. Suddenly, what used to look like just some random clothes looks intentional, looks effortlessly cool, looks stylish. Maybe you have a skinny friend, somebody who's lean, tall, good looking, whatever, and you just give him like any old clothes of yours and they look good. If it's too big, it looks good. If it's too small, it looks good. It just looks good. Don't ask me why. I didn't make the clothes. I didn't make the freaking rules of proportion, but I'm just giving you the raw hard facts as someone who's lived both realities. Now, if you're a bit chubby, overweight, can you still have a great style sense and dress better than skinny, tall model people? Absolutely, absolutely. But all things staying the same, having a lean physique is going to make you look better, not just facially in your facial structure and in your body, but also in whatever you put on. And again, people react to you differently when you have your appearance in a good place. You immediately look like someone who takes care of himself. You immediately look like someone who's got good sense of taste, which matters more and more in this information dominant economy. The world that we live in is so full of random info. People that have good taste, people who can select the right things, people that show they have some aesthetic standard are the people that are going to stand out. And one of the first ways people see that about you is in your style. Now, if you want to improve your style, check out some of these other videos. If you want to deep dive it, I even made a course on that, so you could check that out. And if you want to build that lean body that looks good, you know where to go. Aesthetic Body Blueprint, that's down below as well. Next, now let's say appearance wasn't a good enough reason for you to actually get lean. What would actually happen if you got lean in terms of your health? Well, first of all, something that I experienced is that I became much less pain-ridden and injury-ridden. When I was the highest weight that I was ever in, at about 86 kilograms, I was almost depressed and anxious, living in Milan. One day I woke up to back pain that was traveling down my right leg, which then spread to my left leg. I got so scared because I didn't know what sciatica was. I thought, am I going to live with this for the rest of my life? And it's not that kind of muscle pain. It's like a nervy, zingy, omnipresent, constant nerve pain traveling down your leg that stops you from concentrating on anything else. When did that pain go away? Was when I got lean and built strength in my lower back. So you might be living a reality right now where you get niggling injuries, little pain in your back, shoulder, and neck. It's because of weakness in your muscles, and it's because you're carrying too much body fat. What does that mean? If you go through a body recomposition where you're building muscle in the posterior chain, in the requisite parts of your body that are causing the pain, and you got leaner so your body wasn't constantly burdened with this extra weight and inefficiencies, then boom, your body could become pain-free, or even at least much less pain-ridden and injury-ridden. Next, another subtle benefit of becoming lean is that movement becomes natural. Even a 5 kg difference, which is the difference that I have throughout the year. When I'm leaner, I'm around 70 kg. When I'm a little bit on the relaxed side, I'm around 75 kg. Even that 5 kg of difference, my body feels really different in terms of its lightness, its mobility, how active I am, how easily it is for me to move. For instance, if I do chin-ups and I'm 5 kg lighter, I'm just flying up with ease. In the same way, when I want to do something, I'm up out of my chair, springboarding, going somewhere. It's like operating in a fast car, like a sports car with a good engine. You feel there's no drag, you're just out. But when you're heavy, and I've been there, it's just everything is a little bit more effort. Imagine living life on easy mode, on cruise mode, where the littlest things are not burdensome. That's what would happen if you actually got lean. And I'm seeing this in a lot of the clients that I coach, that I help them get lean. One of the first things they say is they feel so much better, lighter as they do things in daily life. And when they're starting to do their chin-ups, as their weight drops, their body starts to shoot up, so your relative strength improves, your aesthetics improves, your body improves. So what if that could be possible for you? Now, if you want to do that process with me where I help you get lean, then check out the link to apply for my coaching program. It's where I work with you personally to really fine-tune your training, your diet, and your mindset so you can not only get lean, but stay lean. Next is that you become more confident, and all the other things that come downstream from you being confident is there for you as a result of you getting lean. Why does it make you more confident? Well, first of all, because you look better, because you feel better, because you are healthier, and you've probably gone through a certain process that's given you the confidence to say, hey, I know what I'm doing with my body. I know I can change my body, which probably means I can change other things in life. It gives you a certain kind of self-reliance. It gives you a sense of discipline and a sense of structure that other people cannot take you away. Okay, you could take 3 guys and you could strip them of their money, of the branded clothes, of the expensive car, and what are they left with? At the end of the day, what are you left with? You're left with your body, its strength, its functionality, its mobility, its speed, its power. That is who you are. We live, of course, in a world where all these other status symbols matter, but your body is perhaps the most you thing there is in the world. And imagine you get dropped into a desert island. What are you gonna do? You're gonna have to survive with your body. The expensive watches and cars aren't gonna do anything for you, but you have a strong body, a capable body, a pain-free body. What would that give you? A sense of self-reliance and confidence that other things in life, like the cars and the clothes, can't give you. That's why a lean guy has that self-reliance, has that confidence, has that discipline, has that X factor when he speaks to his romantic interest, when he goes on dates, when he meets other people in life, whether it's for work, whether it's in a meeting. You have that air of you, and as a result, people take you seriously. That's true confidence, and that's what happens when you get lean. The final thing that I want to leave you with is a question. What if it actually works out? What if you actually got lean and it was possible and it wasn't so difficult? It wasn't so far-fetched. It wasn't so delusional, which is what you might even feel if you're somebody that's tried to get lean, if you tried all these things in the past and failed, if you've always been a chubby guy and you're like, it's just for those guys. I mean, it's a nice idea, but I'm never going to get there. That's how a lot of people start. That's how I started. That's how a lot of my clients start, because you've never made it, so you think it's not possible. But what if it is? What if with the right system, with the right guidance, with the right step-by-step structure, you can slowly but surely get lean and stay there and change? Does that make you uncomfortable? Because some of you watching this will actually feel like internally you're not even that comfortable with the idea of you changing. Are you ready to face the consequences, the good and the bad? All the people that say, oh, you got lean, oh, you changed, treating you a little bit different than now. Are you ready for that? Are you okay with that? Because if you are, then it's there for you. You make that decision and you can do it. I'm living proof. All the guys in my coaching community are living proof. I want you to believe that you can do it too. And if you want to do that entire journey with me, guiding you so you don't fall off track, so you have somebody looking over your progress so you can actually get lean this year, hit the link below. That's where we'll work together. I hope this video helped you. See you next week.